Okay guys, welcome back to another video. I hope someone is present today too. Okay, so today I hold this stream for like specifically the new retired box which is about to retire. We'll continue with the frolic in the next live, which will be around 9 today, 9 p.m. as IST. So we'll be working with the active one. Oh shit, I think something is messing up here. I don't know what, but there might be something messed up. So just give me a second, I'll patch. No, I hope it won't. And it's still giving the same problem. Okay, I don't know why, but yeah, whatever. So let's continue. Okay, let me fix this. Okay, we'll put this aside. And this is a reverse engineering setup we'll be working on today. Okay, it seems there might be some key pressed. I feel like. Is there something messed up with the mouse or what? Okay, I think it's fixed. It's not giving the same problem again. Oh, sorry. So the reverse engineering will cover up in the upcoming live. And other than that, this will be another video, like in the same one. GreenHorn, on which we'll be currently working. So I'll put this aside because I have already solved it pretty while back. So let's start with the same, as it's going to retire today, and this has a pretty bad rating for like 2.8. I don't know why, but yeah, whatever. I think I might have also given a review here, but who cares, right? So let's get out of this interpreter. Exit. We already have this running on other side. We can close this because so far we have already reached. We don't need this. And what's next? Let me see. My audio is right clear. Yeah, it is there. Okay, so let's cd, and maybe we should just close it. Open the new terminal, cd, machines, GreenHorn, and there's some stuff already sitting here, so we might use it later, but let's go with it. And as we already have some stuff out, I also have the nmap output, so let's get that directly. And this tells us we have port 22 open, port 80 open, and there's port 3000 open, right? So port 22 is not gonna help anywhere. Port 80, let's see if we have this entered in the, like, where? In the Z host. Let's see. Cat /etc/ hosts. Where is it? And do we have its entry? Nope. So we can clear this. Let's add sudo manage hosts, Kali, add new host. Okay, let's edit. IP address this, paste, enter. Host name is gonna be a GreenHorn. Okay, let's type manually greenhorn.htb, and we have our host added here. Let's copy this. I don't think this I have put it in my notes, so let me paste it there too. sh, and there we go. Now I have this entry both side. Cancel this, clear. Now that we have this entry sitting there, what we can do is we can check the port 80 first and the port 3000 side by side. Let's surf the website and we're gonna do greenhorn.htv. Okay, it seems people has already published the write-up before the date of retirement. I think I have to start reporting them again. Okay, it's gonna be HTTP. Without that, it's not gonna redirect there. And there we go. So let's zoom in a bit, and also let's open the port 3000. What we have here. Okay, so it's like git. It's a git. No, it's a Gitea, which is pretty similar to the, what we say, GitHub. This might be holding a code in there. So let's go to explore. Okay, GreenHorn, and it's an administrator. It says the Pluck is a small and simple content management system. That's a CMS. Written in PHP with Pluck, you can easily manage your own website. Pluck focuses on simplicity and ease of use. Okay, so this is a CMS which we can use for development. And the next part is okay, who's calling? Just give me a second. I'll be there. Someone is calling. Okay, where he was. This is a Pluck like database, or we say the code base, which is sitting in a similar tool like a Git. Over here we can see there's a file, there's a data, there's a document. So we might get something here, but let's check. Over here we have the admin. Let's see what this has. Okay, nice. And let's go back. This has a Pluck. Okay, so it's the same thing. Let's check if there is anything else we get. Nope. Let's go to admin. We need a password for this. And to get the password, I think that's what it this GitHorn, like Gitea is for. So we might be able to pull the password from here. Let's see in the data. We have the trash themes, settings, modules. Let's check in the settings. We have install. Let's open all these and see what do they hold. Language. This is a GreenHorn. This is the email address. But I don't think we require that. We just need a password to get in. So we can close this. And this seems to be a password. It's not in what we say, MD5, maybe base64. Default. We have the token, which is pretty similar to the password, but that's totally different. And we have the Pluck version here. Last check, we don't need that. Let's see if this has any sort of exploit in the market. Pluck, paste, exploit. I'll show you something else too. So this is the RC for this, which is in Python. And let me see if I have the explanation of this exploit. It seems maybe not, but we can read it directly from here. So it is at first it's calling the request, which is a library, and from the request it is calling this stuff, and it's also calling the multi-part encoder, where it's gonna inject the content into the like post request. Let's check further, and if you see here in the multi-data, this has the upload functionality, where it's uploading this myrebase.zip. Must be a malicious file. And after that, it's opening the session, trying to log in there using the login URL, headers, and the like payload with the data that's using the post request for. And if the login status is 200, it's gonna get in there and perform these action. And after that, this, where is the else condition in there? And this is the endpoint which is exploitable and has the RC in it. And it's gonna call this to perform the RC and print out the text. So to like understand this better, let me show you something else on my GitHub. Okay, didn't found because I have changed the username. It's gonna be 0xdtc. Save. Let's open this again. Okay, it's open. We'll go to the repos and it should be here. A Pluck, right? Pluck, and there we go. So this is the exploit that I have written afterwards when I've finished this box. So it is a like automated script which is authenticating the Pluck admin panel and uploading the zip file which contain the malicious reverse shell for us. And after uploading that, it is executing the PHP reverse shell and giving the attacker remote access to the like targeted machine. The prerequisites, it's not a Python, so we need just a few things over here. The first one is a netcat, which should be installed on your Kali Linux system if you're using, maybe if you're using Ubuntu or like Parrot, you might be able to install it there, or I'm pretty sure in the Parrot it should be there. And the next one is the correct content for the like input. If you say it's requesting the host, password, IP address, and the port, so you have to provide the right host password of the admin, which is this, which we got from here. We can close other stuff, we'll crack it later. And the next is the attacker IP address for the reverse shell, and the port for the reverse shell. So we'll be providing the two of these as an input, and you can see it's a GreenHorn related stuff. So this is the whole exploit, which I already have on my machine, so I'll use this. If you wanna like get to understand this in a bit deeper, you guys can visit my GitHub account and find it there. I'll drop it in the chat. There you go. You can read this here. So we have this exploit. We need the password for this, and this is the password. So to receive this password, we gonna need the command, hashcat command. Let's see if it is here somewhere. It's this hashcat. Let's see. Okay, it's not pretty far, it seems. Hashcat, where the hell is it? Yeah, this is the one. So let's add that string here. We're providing our hash as the variable, then it is gonna identify the hash. After identifying it, it's gonna like perform the grep and head, which will be the very first of the like identification from here, hashcat. And after that, it's gonna throw it to the hashcat word list, and it's gonna perform the brute force attack on that. And let's enter. Okay, so it already has the data. Let's use -show, and this is a password we have, which is I love you 1. We're gonna use this. You guys can use this command. I'll just hold for some time. You can copy this or type it somewhere if you want, or you can pause the video and do that too. Okay, so we have the password of the login, which is this one, this string password of this. Let's try paste it here, enter. Let's see if we get in, and we are successfully in. Let's wait. Kids are going wild outside. It should be there any minute, and we are in. So this is a CMS for the Pluck, which we are going to exploit. So let's get out, log out. I don't want to cause any sort of session trouble here. Let's clear this out, and we'll split it. And we're gonna start the netcat, and also the exploit. Let's enter. Now we have the content -h for the host, which is going to be like this itself. What the hell was that? HTTP. Where is it writing? Did I mess up something? It seems I messed up somewhere else. Okay, let's get back here. We'll just provide directly the GreenHorn, paste, and password, which is gonna be -p, and the password was what was the password? Cancel this. Let's see the password again. It's I love you 1. I was confused between the capital and small letters. Now -i, which is the IP address, and it's gonna be 10.10.16.3. And what's the port number that we're trying to exploit? It's -p 9001. And if I click on enter, we'll get the reverse shell here. Enter. Now it's downloading the exploit, and it has triggered. RC is waiting for you. Please go take a look. This takes some time, like split seconds, and there we go. This was one of the easiest box, and if you check here, this has been pawned like within the 12 minutes. Let's give it a thumbs up. Now we have the RCE. Let's check here. We'll go to the home, ls, cd junior, ls, and we can cat user.txt if you want. Now the interesting part here is this file. So let's dump this on our local system. We can cancel this, clear this out, and I hope this has the Python in it. python, enter, Python 3, enter. Okay, so this has the Python 3, exit. Okay, guess we have to get the session again. Okay, we are in. Now we know that we have the Python available there. We can use the Python. What next we can do is download that file which was in there. So let's go back, cd /home, or we are already in the root, so cd home /junior. Okay, spelling mistakes. cd home, ls, cd junior, and we need this file on our local system. For that we'll use Python 3 -m, and with that we'll use HTTP, or we can also like try to move it to the Gitea. Using that we might be able to dump it from here itself, but I don't want to put that effort there. So we'll just do the http.server, and it's gonna start the server for us. Now if we run the netcat again, you will see that we have the port 8000 open there. So let's do that. Sudo nmap. We will specifically check for the -p port 8000 on GreenHorn. horn.htb, enter, Kali. I just hope what I said is right. And as you can see, discovered the open port, and you see we got a ping here from the netcat, and this is a port that is open there, and that is gathering some more data, and you can see it's scrolling so it can understand like what else is there, and it is sending variety of the request. There's a post, there's an option. Basically it's flooding the data right now, and we have it. The Python 10.12 is there. So let's clear this. We have the like port running there. Now we need to download that file specifically, which is this one. So let's remove it from here so we don't have any dupe. Clear and wget http //green horn.htb 8000 / its file name. Let's see, it should be up there. This, paste it here, and we have the space in between, so we'll use a %20 to fill out the space, and we'll click on enter. And with this we got an error, pretty bad. What was the, we have the right like %20, right? It should be that, if I'm not wrong. Using, because we have started it on the right place. We are on 8000. Let's see if we have to do this home / junior, I guess, JUNIOR / enter. Yep, that's not a problem here. So we have to download it from here. Okay, we can't. This is weird. Using %20. Okay, let's try with this then. Instead of the like host name, we'll try with the IP address. And if I try it here, maybe we don't have the permission here. Let's see if it exit. Okay, we can't. We can just cancel the shell. Let's start it back. Maybe we have to start the reverse shell in the like home itself. That place might not have the permission to send or write or read the file kind of permissions. We are in. Let's cancel this, go back. We'll try to download this JUNIOR junior, or maybe I was idiot because I was looking for the wrong endpoint. Let's copy and paste here. Yeah, I knew it. It's already in use, so we'll set the port. Okay, if it's already in use, let's see if it worked this time. Trying to receive the data. But not successful. Okay, let's do this. still attempting. Yeah. Let's try to pull the PSAUX pipe grep Python. We will kill this task. I hope this has permission to perform the same. Its PS is, we are using it for the process. AUX, this has its own flags, so you guys can check it if or we can check it here. PS -H over here. Okay, HELP help -help. What the hell? Okay, so -A is for the all. It's gonna list all sort of processes, and it has not mentioned the content for -U and -X. Okay, it was working for me, so I was using. Who cares? So I hope we have killed the process. Let's see. Okay, so now the Python server is no more running. So if we run it now, enter, started running, and now if we call for the same file, enter, file not found. Now this is going to be weird, so instead let's do this. I hope we are not like calling the wrong file. Paste, go back person 20, wget the port IP address. Okay, IP address port, then /home/junior. We can copy this too, just to be safe side. Paste, slash, enter. Okay. Now this is weird, that we are not able to download the file. But it is calling the file. Is it possible that we don't have the permission to perform the same? Let's see. What sort of permission do we have in the directory? We have to run the exploit again. There we go. Or maybe this box is not a clean spawn, might be some bug in it. So we can perform the reset after some time. So let's see. We are here, ls-la. Root. So we'll go to cd's home, ls, cd junior, ls-la. Okay, so the root has the permission, and who am I? That we already know. ls-lisa. What else information we get is the same information. Cache, only the root can access it, but that shouldn't be a problem here. Let's try this again. Paste, enter. Yeah, it's already in use. So ps aux pipe grep python will kill this one again. Kill, paste, enter, paste it back from here to here. And if we try to perform the wget this time, here we have the same IP address, import, and some other stuff. File not found. Yeah, it won't be found. Let's clean this, enter. File not found. Well, that shouldn't be a problem. Why is it saying the file not found? There's not even someone else playing on this box. The only thing we can do is reset it. Maybe the box is a bit buggy. We'll run the netcat again. And this is exploit. Let's wait for it to reset. Ouch. Yeah, who else is gonna accept that? Okay. Box has been reset. Cheesecake burger. Let's uninstall the WhatsApp. By the time it get up. Is it even pinging this? Let's try. Ping. Not this port. What the hell was the IP address of this box? Okay, export, exterm. Junior is junior. Yeah, right. Oh, we don't need to run it on port 80. It should work even without that. Let's see. Why the hell I got your message this late? I don't know. It's not showing here. What the hell is up with you live chat? Okay, now I'm able to see. There's something fishy going on with the stream, man. I just saw your message when you have sent it like what time back? Like 20 minutes back. Miguel. Right. Let's see. Just start once, then we'll be back in action and it should finish. Let's try ping it. Man, are you pinging? You're not pinging it. Ping it! How much time it's gonna take? Just start pinging already, man. It's too late already. Yeti. I won't be doing this again ever whenever I'm playing. Okay, it started pinging back. Lovely. So we should be back in action. Let's clear this. Netcat, enter, get the RC. Just give me the RC, man. File upload successful. And we are in. Let's cancel this. And if I run the Python server back and paste it here, enter. Right. And if I do the wget here, enter. Why the hell file not found? What's wrong with you, man? Should I just give you this then? Like this? Enter. Again, file not found. %20. Yo, what the hell? Now this shouldn't be giving any sort of problem, right? Well, this is the first time I'm getting this irritated. Yeah, just get up. Cancel this, clear this. And the Python is already running. We will do the ps-aux pipe grep Python, enter, kill this process. We can't clear, so we will do I don't think I performed anything like Okay, let's try this. We'll use a TYT Python one. Let's do this. Although we are already using the same, I guess. So if I do cd home cd junior ls, we can perform the user.txt, right? Did they made any sort of like updated in the box? I don't see any change logs here. And then as far as I remember, I was able to cat it, but now I'm not able to do this. That's the weird part. Can I perform the CP user? Okay, this whole file, copy this, paste it here, /home/get. It was get, right? And cannot do this, permission denied. That's the part I'm not getting. Like, why the hell? Sudo -l. I don't think the password is gonna be the same. I love you one. I am pretty sure. Yes, it's a different one. This password only belongs to the login which is above. So if I do this and cd get, we don't have the permission to go to the cd2. ls-la junior cd junior ls-la. But if you see, before it was showing the root, but now it's showing the root and junior, right? If we still have the, okay, I have already cleaned it. Have I? Yes, I already cleaned it. So if I start the Python server here, right, it shouldn't be giving me that complex again, which is this. And if I press enter, and why the hell the file is not found? File is right there on your face. And if I do user.txt, oh, home/junior. File not found. The dumb excuse. We don't have any other way, damn it. Asterisk, download everything. Can't download a shit. Where the heck I'm stuck then? This is a damn BT. Enter. Not able to download. Is it possible that the port that I'm trying to access is the one causing the problem? Exit. Quit. Okay. I have to exit the whole session itself. Enter. / enter. Let's try to open this on a different board. ls. Copy this. Paste it here. ls. ls-la root. Okay, ps-aux pipe grep python kill this one, which is probably the old, and kill this. No such process. Enter. Okay, this shell has been killed, so it won't be able to keep up with that. Understandable. So what is the port? What's the port status? So when I perform the netcat, it should yeah, it was able to trigger that. If it wasn't, then it should have shown us the the port is occupied or something sort of error if we do that. So we can try this Python 3. Where is it? That command -m. There is -p if we try it on AT. Okay, unrecognizable stuff. So it seems we just have to provide the port number. And you see it's giving the permission denied because port 8 is already in service and we can't use that. So if I do the port 8001, enter, it is now running it on the 8001. So if I do this on port 8001, it should give a call, but it wasn't able to find the file because it's running on the root. So we should be doing this and it should get the file, but for some reason it's not able to find the file. The whole thing is jammed there. We have the user.txt there, and if we call that, it's not even able to find that file itself. And if I do this, that would be oddly weird. Unexpected file, right? Okay, let's give it one more time. Connected, receive packets, and it didn't able to pull the file. Poop. It should be doing with this. Now the only thing that is coming to my mind is either this box is broken or something else might have happened, because we can't transfer the file, we can't check something else. We have the Python, and if we try to run it into the temp, that would be a different case. But as per the speed that is mentioned here, that's the only fastest way I can think of. And I'm pretty sure that was the right way. Let's think together. What could be the difference here? We have the access, we are able to like run the stuff there. What else that we are missing here? That we are not able to access. Sheesh. And kids are crying outside. What could it be? Think of a way, guys. Think of a way. Damn, kids. The board status I've already shared. There is something I might be missing. What it could be? Okay, let's put a pressure on my brain. Okay. We have the junior there, right? Can we jump into the junior? I totally forgot that. I totally missed that. Dang it. I think we can switch it to another user, which is a junior. And by now we should have solved this box. Dang it. My bad, guys. Yeah, sometimes it happens that you forget stuff. So if we do this, SU, and I do CD home, ls, SU hyphen, sorry, FCU junior, enter, password I love you 1. We should be able to switch the user, ls, and who am I? And we are junior. Boom. Let's copy the shell or spawn the shell, and you can see we are the junior now. Less. And if we go to the junior, and now if we try to summon the like this, and previously we don't have the permission to read the user.txt. Now if we do the user.txt, We can read it. We can't clear the stuff. So let's perform the Python server here now, and we'll clear this. Shit, this is where I was stuck whole time. And we can call the 8000, and there we go. We have the file now. Let's check if that's how I performed it in my notes. Let's pull it here. Where is it? Sudo junior. Terminal is required to read permission, and this that. We didn't try this. Sudo password required, and when I did su junior, and yes, I did the same stuff, and I got the access in the same way. So let's put it aside. Won't be looking back there. Now that we have the file here on our local system, let's do the ls, and we have it back. Now I think we can cancel this, clear it out, and we can open this file. Okay, that's way too much zoom. 100%. And it says we are recently installed the. Okay, let's zoom in a bit. I hope this much is clear to view, guys. Correct? Yeah, this much should be clear. So we have recently installed OpenVAS on our server to actively monitor and identify the potential security vulnerabilities. Currently, only the root user represented by myself has the authorization to execute OpenVAS using the following command. Okay, we can use this command. Enter the password. Okay, this must be the password. As part of your familiarization with this tool, we encourage you to learn how to use OpenVAS. Okay, I already know a bit. So for this, we have a tool called Depix, which I used like pretty back. Depix, I think this. Yes. So what this will do, it is for the content recovery. So it can recover the pixelated stuff, but it always won't be clear. So it recover it like bit by bit. So it still will be hard when you will try to read the stuff from there. You still won't be able to read it clearly even after pulling it from there. So let's you can download it from here. Download the zip or git clone, but I guess we already have it here. As you can see, Depix. I already have it on my local, so we can close this. But the problem here is we need this string specifically, right? So we can use, I think most probably this must be in some sort of image. So we can use the tool similar to like PDF. PNG extractor. Extract PDF image. Okay, we'll be using this tool. Let's provide it the file that we want to extract the content from. In the machines, we are performing GreenHorn. This is a file. Open it here and extract the image. And it has given us the zip file. We got it here. We'll cut it and put it into the where is machines. There we go. And GreenHorn. Paste it here. Open VAS. We'll delete both of these and extract here. We have the file. As you can see, it is all pixelated. We are not able to read this stuff. So what we will do, we're gonna use this tool here to perform and help us extract the password from there. And I hope we can see this on here. Depix. We should be having the command here itself. This is a command. So let's close this because we already have the file here. We have extracted the 0.png. Collapse this. Let's open the Tonor here. We'll keep it opened on the side. Python Depix. Path to your input file. Let's copy this and paste it here. Input file is going to be 0.png. And this has, I think, variety of render. If you see, this has this image source scan, some sort of render, I guess. That's what I feel it is, because I haven't dig deep into this. So we'll be using this same. Okay, -s and stuff. Paste. Did we miss something? -s. I don't think I missed anything, but why did it give us stuff in broken kind? Okay, we have it here. And the last one is the output path. So in the output we'll give or we don't need to give anything. Let's press enter. No such file or directory. Oh, sorry, we forgot to go into the Depix. Clear. Let's run it back. Enter. And it started working on the image, scanning, searching, performing the stuff. I hope don't break it. Don't break it, man. Don't break it. It's my bad. I'm sorry. Yes. It seems I have break the machine here. Just get back to life. Get back to life. Get back to life. Okay, it's back to life. Is it? Nope. Is it now? Okay, it's back to life. And we have some broken stuff here, but I guess we have our output file here. Let's go back and is it here in this? And this is the one. Let's zoom in a bit. it says side from side, the other side, side from side, the other side. Okay, let's write it here somewhere. Okay, we'll write it here. Side. I think we need it in the continuous manner so we can work around it. Side from side, the other side, side from side, the other side. Let's copy this and clear this out. We will try to get the root. So for that, SSH root percent was the IP address 25. Let's copy this and provide the password. And we should be in. There we go. And with this, we have the password. We can perform / cleanup, enter. And we can also perform the root. There we go. We'll clear this out. And with this, we have the GreenHorn pond. You guys can try other tools also if those work for you. We're always open. So try and dig deep into these kind of stuff. Might be able to learn more in the future. So that's it for this box. We have pawned it. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing. And if you are like old subscriber, don't forget to like the video. You can share it with others. And much more is coming. I'm doing the OSCP live because I'm learning side by side and I'm not doing any sort of hurry. We'll learn everything step by step. I'm a bit good in web stuff. I'll learn how the binary overflow work or the buffer overflow work in the binary stuff. We'll also learn the AD stuff and much more. Once I get like a certain amount of subscriber, if I'll be able to fulfill the YouTube requirements, then I'll be doing sharing the stuff with I think in the members only stuff, where I can like share stuff which is or which shouldn't be public, or which is like they're public but should not be there. So yes, so only limited people will be able to access that. I won't be sharing that with everyone because that caused some censor sort of problems. So I'll be doing it with limited person because those who want to learn together, yeah, they'll be able to jump in there. I'll drop that stuff bit by bit, but yes, so far that's the goal. See you guys in another live, which is in half an hour. So see you guys there. Have a great day. Enjoy your time. See you in another live. Till then, bye-bye.